So I took in the rear driver's door off to start getting ready to paint as well. I wasn't really going to film it, but I just started stripping it out a little bit now. You can see in here, it had this big tin patch right through here, coming down here, and then there's another one running down here as well. So I thought there must be a pretty big rusty patch in here and coming down here. So there's a bit of body filler on it, so I've ground it off, drilled up proper bits. But all up here is all fine. The rust only actually starts in this little bit here. And same again down here, all this is actually fine. All they've really done is blocked up the drain holes, whereas a little patch like that probably would have done the exact same job. So I'm not sure why I put this whole big plate in here instead, but so I've removed the next lot of tin plates on there. What this one was doing was came along here, but what had happened was this sort of bottom edge here is rusted out a bit. So I was trying to stop that movement in here. I feel like I could probably have done it a slightly better way. I'm not sure why the odd clumps of body filler are in there, because they didn't really smooth much out. What I want to do is probably cut down here, and then probably peel it back to about here, and weld a new bit of steel in here. I won't touch any of the outer skin like I did with the other door, just keep it nice and simple. It's not as bad in here. So as you can see, I've got the store back on now. I started filming painting it, but then just as I was about to start filming I'm not quite sure what it was, either the battery of the camera went flat or the memory card went full. But it's turned out pretty nice. So you got all the inside in there painted. These doors are reasonably easy to strip out once you get used to it. There's a few funny things like these handles. That's like a funny thread in there, then you turn this and it pulls out. Also, where the mechanism gets held into the crank in there, you need to bend up a little bit of pipe and use it as like a cam to lever it open so you can slide the glass out. Next time I'm doing window, I might film it just to show you, but it's pretty simple really. So it's all back together. These doors are pretty easy to take off. You can see in here that it's got a bit of a slot in there, so you unscrew this and that brings this down. Then you unscrew this and you just lift these off the pins. So that's the front door there. You can see it a bit better up here. So you just loosen this off, that drops this whole bit down. Same for up here, and you can just lift them up over it. The rear door's got a little bit extra. Rear door's got this little latch mechanism that helps hold it open. There's some springs in behind here, but there's also a little clip here so you can get it off. But once you get that clip off, this is still under spring tension, so I just want to pull back in there anyway. It's not too difficult though. So as you can see here, that's another door done. I've still got the other two to go on the other side, but as you might be able to see now in the video that's uploaded, I've got the roof off currently. So I'm going to fix this roof up. So I'm about to pull these doors off and paint up, so I can get ready to paint up all these black pillars running through here. But you'll see that in the next video anyway.